Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with the Morning Market Stir for Thursday, October 20th. Another day of sideways stocks going nowhere fast. We had the Dow up 0.25% and the S&P 0.25% as well, with the NASDAQ steady as she goes, essentially unchanged in percentage terms. We were seeing some action in some of the commodities markets. Crude oil made new multi-month highs yesterday, 52.20. We're now trading the December contract there. Closed at 51.80, so it was about a 2% gain. It was up $1.20 on the session. So strong crude, even with the dollar holding at the 98 level. Also on the gain side was gold. Gold up there at two-week highs. 12.70 was a close, up $7. So a bit of a pop. We've talked about the fact that gold had not made new lows even though the dollar continued to make new highs. So that's a positive sign. Let's see if we can get back above 1275, kind of the halfway point to that 1300, which is an old psychological level that it got ugly when it broke below a couple weeks back. So after the sideways stock markets, a little bit to the upside yesterday, where do things stand here on this Thursday morning after the debates? Well, it's more about earnings. We're not seeing any relief rally. Actually, we were positive earlier in the morning, and right now, as we get started, the S&P right now is down 5 points, the Dow futures down 25, and the NASDAQ getting hit a little bit, down 15. But let's remember, the all-time forever highs in the NASDAQ were made just October 10th, so not so long ago. Looking at some of the other markets, the dollar's making new relative highs. It had made a top and then closed lower on Monday, but now that's voided. It's at 98.20, and that euro currency is back below 110. What we're seeing there is the ECB is meeting, and Draghi said that he did not even think about any further action. So we'll have to wait and see what that means for the future. So right now, gold's up $3, $12.73, even though the dollar's making new highs. Crude oil is backing down $1 as it stands right now at 51. So a bit of a profit taking after the upside breakout. Crude had traded between 50 and 52 before yesterday's upside action, so that targets 54 if that trend's going to continue. So to wrap up this current action, as the morning gets started here right now, we've got the E-mini S&P down 4, the NASDAQ down 15, and the Dow futures down 25. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.